Planning to hit the road? Before you step on the gas, make sure your car's ready for the long haul. There are 5 key areas to pay attention to: your battery, your tires, your fluids, your lights, and your windshield. When looking at your battery, make sure to look for corrosion on the battery itself and pay attention to how well your vehicle starts. You may want to get it tested beforehand, as the battery is likely the #1 thing to fail without notice. When looking at your tires, make sure to look for uneven and excessive wear, and of course, check your tire pressure. When checking your fluids, make sure to look at your transmission fluid, your coolant, your power steering, your brake fluid, and of course, your oil. And if an oil change is coming up, go ahead and get that done before your trip. When looking at your lights, make sure to test your headlights, your brake lights, your turn signals, and replace them if needed. Vision safety is also important for your road trip. Make sure to check your windshield for cracks and chips. For the wipers, check that the arms are working well and that the blade is contacting the glass properly. If you haven't replaced them recently, do it before getting on the road. And be sure to top off your windshield washer fluid as well. And here's your bonus tip today. Always take a second key with you on your vacation, because it could take 2 to 3 days to have it replaced. And if you've noticed any of these other issues we've spoke about today, don't hesitate to make an appointment today. It's fast, easy, and convenient at TiptonFord.com. Be sure to follow our social channels too for more Tipton tips on how you can spend less, drive more.